history. She's not trying to avoid any responsibility in this case. She knows that she's probably facing an advanced sanction because of consuming alcohol while she was on probation. But I do believe, despite that, Your Honor, that Ms. Hollins knows how to follow directions, and she intends to do that so that she can move past this. And so I'm asking the court to follow the probation department's sentencing recommendation. Place her on a term of probation with which I believe she will speedily comply and let her move forward with her life, Your Honor.
All right, would she like to address the court?
Ms. Hollins?
April?
Yes, ma'am. I do understand that of my sentencing today, and I am willing to fully cooperate with the courts and the probation to move on and succeed in a timely manner with my probation.
Okay, sounds good. But you was carrying pistols? Girl, April, for real? What is going on with this young generation, Judge? Got me fucked up. Y'all got me drinking already. Just say no to drugs. Damn.
Court is ready to impose sentence. I do so as follows. The probation department has recommended a term of probation of 12 months.
12.
I'm going to accept the recommendation for probation. However, the
15.
term of probation is 15 months.
Yeah.
With a final review date of January 14, 2026.
26.
An interim review date of February the 12th, 2025
12. Okay.
at 10 o'clock a.m.
10 a.m. All
The
right.
terms of the probation are as follows. You shall not violate any criminal law of any governmental unit.
Nothing.
You must not leave the state without consent of the court. You must make a truthful report to probation on a monthly basis.
Honestly.
And notify probation immediately of any change of address, phone number, or employment status. You will pay the following fines, costs, and fees. The mandatory cost of $210, $100 attorney's fee, $400 fine,
400.
$525 oversight fees. That is at a rate of $35 a month.
Damn.
For the
That's a
halfway point, it would be $263.
263.
A $100 assessment fee.
Damn.
Court is not going to impose the urinalysis fees, but that's because she can test outside the court if she was testing outside the court.
Okay. So that's a savings.
And then the total fines, costs, and fees, not including any urinalysis or classes, is
$1,335, and then the halfway point is $1,073, Judge.
$1,335. Or the halfway point, it would be $1,073.
That part.
Additionally, you shall not use or possess any illegal substances. You cannot use or possess any marijuana without a valid medical marijuana card.
Smoking.
You cannot use or possess any opiates without a valid prescription and letter of explanation from the doctor.
No
You
perkies.
shall not consume alcohol in any form.
In any
You shall
form.
not drive without a valid driver's license. You shall not use or possess any handguns or firearms.
You shouldn't
You
have
shall
that anyway.
attend alcohol highway safety education level 1. You shall submit to random urinalysis twice per month.
Damn.
You shall attend outpatient treatment, Alcoholics Anonymous.
Yes.
You will complete 10 days of community service.
10?
That's equivalent to 80 hours of community
80
service.
hours
You will
service?
attend the Victims Impact Panel.
Victim-
Watch the
Damn.
consequences video.
The video.
You will pay outstanding tickets that you owe with the 36th District Court.
Damn. Tickets.
You will clear up all warrants that you have. You will
Warrants?
attend the Choices Program. Your first date, as I indicated, is February 12th, 2025
At 10
at 10 o'clock a.m.
Damn.
We will mail a copy of this order to the Crescent Drive address, and probation will contact you at the phone number ending in 8536. Anything further?
Woo. Shit. That was a lot of fees. Ain't nobody got nothing to
Nothing
say?
from the people.
Janet?
Your Honor, we have heard the court's order, and absolutely Ms. Collins has indicated she intends to abide by the court order. I'm just, with regard to the alcohol highway safety education program, would the court be ordering that this was not a drinking and driving related offense?
I think it was. It's a,
She was had a gun while operating under influence. What are you saying?
yeah, no,
I believe she was a passenger.
No, Your Honor.
a passenger. What?
Say that again.
I believe she was not operating a motor vehicle, Your Honor. There's no allegation that she was operating a motor vehicle.
Are we talking about, we're saying April Marie Hollins.
April?
Yes, Your Honor, is charged with being in possession of a firearm
Firearm.
while under the influence.
I apologize. Can somebody tell me what O stands for?
Operating.
What does O stands for? So, because I'm looking at the docket. So when I called the case, nobody corrected the case. Also on the, well, it is maybe correct. It says possession under the influence on the thing. So when I called the case, nobody corrected the
said
case.
nothing.
It's OUI. So I don't know. I don't have the
Operating
thing. So this says
under
gun
the
is
influence.
OUI. Operating under the influence. Isn't that what that stands for?
Isn't that what? Hello, Janice. Janice. Either one.
I'm not sure what it stands
You're
for,
not
but
sure?
she's charged with
You're not sure.
weapons, firearm possession under the influence.
Damn, you had the
Mr.
strap
Flanagan,
and
so
you
can
was
we
drinking?
change it then?
Girl, April, say it ain't so.
Oh, yes, Your Honor, that's what it is in the system, weapons, firearms, possession under the influence.
So help me then. Help me. That y'all not being
Help
honest.
me.
Help
Help
me
me.
with what is OUI on the docket then?
Operating
Just
under the
tell me. I
influence.
mean, somebody tell me. Mr. Flanagan, tell me. What is gun possession OUI?
I can tell
What
you,
is
Judge.
that?
I can tell you, Judge, if nobody speak up. Operating under the influence.
Operating under
I know.
influence.
Under the
I know.
codes. Lauren,
So
stop.
it's
What?
in wrong then. So somebody put it in wrong.
Right.
It couldn't be correct. Somebody put it in wrong.
Oh.
It's in wrong.
It's in wrong.
Because it is OUI. That means operating. The O stands for operating.
Operating.
Under the influence.
Under.
But okay. So the O shouldn't be there. It should
Right.
be just gun possession under the influence. Okay.
So now that's
So
hella charges.
therefore, I will take
Y'all trying to
away
send her-
the victim's impact panel
What a mistake.
and the consequences video
What the hell?
and the driver's improvement program.
Wow. Hello, Janice? In the blue? Nothing? Crickets? You about to get this girl April all these years. Can't even log the shit in right.
All right.
Me fucked up.
And the alcohol highway safety. See how 4 things come
Four
off
things come off.
because of that O?
You lucky.
Okay.
You lucky, April.
So
You
that's
better put a smile on your
okay.
face.
Let's correct it. Let's correct it. Let's
Gee
correct it.
whiz.
All right. She has 3 warrants with the 36 district court, so she
Damn, 3
needs to clear
points?
those up right away.
With the quickness.
Oh, I did not order, but let me go back. So I am gonna add, I didn't add it, the handgun intervention.
Yeah, you forgot that, Judge.
I will order that as recommended
Ooh, you
by
got
the
my nerves
probation.
bad.
So
All
we're
these
removing
charges.
alcohol highway safety, we're removing victims impact panel, the consequences video and driver's improvement. Those are removed from my order. And then we are,
I'm gonna take a quick break, Judge.
we are
I'm right here with you though.
adding handgun intervention.
Yeah, get that hand
All
out
right,
of the way.
anything further?
No, they probably done.
Nothing from the people.
So, Your Honor, Ms. Collins does have a phone number for Judge Millhouse courtroom, and she'll call them and get those warrants taken care of as soon as we get done in here today. Would the court consider outpatient treatment if there are any further positive tests rather than ordering that up front, Your Honor?
No.
Hell nah. What is you talking about, Janice?
Other than that, we have nothing further, Your Honor.
I didn't think so.
Okay. And let me just be clear
Please.
as to why I'm not
Be
gonna do
clear,
that.
Judge, because they try to pull one. Have me writing all these notes for nothing.
I'm clear.
Straight up.
I'm clear.
I can hear you, Judge.
When I speak, I'm clear.
I can hear you.
And,
And you're not with that. This was disrespectful
yeah,
this morning.
when I speak, I'm clear. And so you can say she forgot and she can say she didn't know.
And she can say she didn't.
But that also says to me then that she either didn't listen or didn't care. But I'm clear when I speak. So if it had been another judge that ordered that, maybe then I would say I can't guarantee that they told her. But I know that on at least 2 occasions, I said bond will continue, no drinking,
No
and
drinking,
no driving
and no
without a
driving.
valid license.
Without a valid license,
I say it.
you shouldn't be drinking
So
anyway.
we're gonna go ahead and do outpatient treatment.
Yeah, outpatient. Yeah,
And if the outpatient treatment people say that she doesn't
she
need
doesn't
it,
need it, then we can reconvene and figure it out. But you need to stop that drinking shit. You got me fucked up. You don't be carrying guns and stuff. You a young lady. What is going on?
then I guess we'll go from there. But no, it's in the order.
It's in order. I got it down.
Okay,
I got
thank
it
you,
down.
Your Honor.
All right, we're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Yeah, y'all be easy.
Thank you.
We're gonna mail